Hey guys, in this video we will talk about the concrete cover. So this is also one of the other terms that you will often hear if you work as a civil engineer. So what is a concrete cover? If we talk about the RCC structures, that is reinforced cement concrete structures, these structures basically consist of two things. The first one is the concrete and the second one is we call as the reinforcement, or you can say the rebar, or you can say the steel bars. So we know what the concrete is made up of, and these steel bars are not just randomly provided in RCC structures. So the structures that you see over here, the bridge, this is a RCC structure. Okay, on the surface you see the concrete, but inside it has also got the steel bars or the reinforcement bars. These reinforcement bars are not just randomly distributed in a concrete member. So they are provided in a certain pattern as per the structural member. So if it is a slab, there is a certain pattern. If it is a beam, there is a certain pattern. If it is a column, then there is a certain pattern of providing the steel bars. These steel bars should not be exposed to the environment, because if they are exposed to the environment, then the chances of corrosion are there. If the steel bars get eroded, then they will lose their strength, and if they lose their strength, the RCC structure as a whole will lose its strength and its durability. So we need to protect the steel bars from corrosion. So to do this, we make sure that those steel bars are properly embedded into the concrete. They are not exposed on the surface like this. Okay, so they are properly embedded inside the concrete, and this we do by providing the cover to those reinforcement bars, and that cover we call as the concrete cover. The concrete cover is nothing but the protection layer of the concrete that we provide to the reinforcement bar in order to prevent them from the exposure to the environment.